Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to copy and share group link in Telegram. In order to copy and share group link in Telegram, all you need to do is update your Telegram application and then log into your Telegram account. So let's say that you own a particular group and want to invite some contacts. So in order to do that, you'll have to share the link. So for that, go ahead and open up the chat page of the particular group and then tap the profile icon from the top, and in order to share the link you need to click on add members. So from here you can go ahead and add people as well, or else you can simply tap on invite to group via link, and here you can either copy the link or you can directly share it to any other social media platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, whatsoever. So that's basically how you can copy and share group link in Telegram. And apart from it, if you want to add some of the other users to some other following channel, then what you can do is you can just use the search bar feature and then look for the particular channel that you wish to add your friend or family. Just go ahead and tap the username, and simply you can share the QR code, and by scanning they can join the following group. So that's basically how you can copy and share group link in Telegram. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.